Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook problems. So this is simple, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and don't forget to update your app from Play Store or App Store uh, the same page of mine with use. So then go to the profile section or three dot section here below messages and scroll down, and here you can see an option that help and support, and then option is setting and privacy, and then click to the setting option and scroll down, and here you can see an option that location. Click to the location option, and here you can see I turned off location services. So and click to the go to device setting and click to the Android setting. This is same as Android and iPhone. So click to the Android setting, and this will come on Facebook app info here on the setting. If this not comes here, then go to the setting option and scroll and go to the apps section and scroll down and click to the see all apps and found the Facebook app and click on that and scroll and search the or find the permissions option. Click on that and then allow all the things, only not allow location. You can see location permission is turned off here, and click on the don't allow option. After that, Facebook won't suggest you the people or something like that things. So I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Goodbye.